Hello, this is Simon, and today I'm going to test the motion alarm back there. I'm gonna wait till the green light is off, and it is already set. So, that's the motion alarm over there. The green light is now off, so I'm gonna go past by it. It has a entry delay, or just a delay when it detects motion, and once the red light stops flashing for the delay, the alarm will sound. So I'm just gonna wait a few seconds. Okay, so here we go. Now as you can see, the red light is flashing. The alarm, that's the alarm sound. Now to silence it, you press the on disarm button on the keypad. Or you can either take the batteries out. Not sure how many decibels this is, but this is a U.S. Patrol motion alarm. So you can buy this product on eBay. This is one of the most affordable, easy to use, and reliable systems you can buy on the market today. So I hope you can buy this system like on eBay or Amazon. I don't care what you buy it on, but it's just a great deal. It's great to protect your home, business, office, or maybe just a small room. So, this is awesome. This is an awesome motion detector, and I hope it comforts you and your family. Bye.